I'm Mrs. Lansdowne, and today we're going to continue with some mindfulness. Our last lesson was about mindfulness, so let's just do a little bit of a review. So mindfulness, remember we talked about it's being present, it's being in the moment. It's not looking at the future or going back to the past. Mindfulness is being right here, right now. It's about your body and being aware of it. It's about your breath. It's about breathing. It's about the sounds in the world around you. You're aware of them. Remember our chart that we used? It's about our thoughts, what we're thinking. Like, what are you thinking right now? Okay? It's about our feelings. Remember, I put the heart there for love. It's emotion. Sensations that we feel. Sometimes it's hunger that we feel. But all of these are wrapped around kindness. Okay? We want to try to have kind thoughts. We want to try to lead our feelings to be kind. Okay? All of these wrapped around kindness. But when sometimes we can't, and our emotions or our feelings get, where we're a little anxious or overwhelmed or we're angry, we talked about box breathing. And box breathing helps us bring us to that state of calm. Today, our focus is going to be on feelings. Okay? Feelings. We're going to expand our vocabulary. Another word for feelings could be emotions that we have. Take a look at my screen that I'm showing. At Smekens Education, we have what we call a voice poster. And you can see it has facial expressions with the emotions underneath them. Do you see those? Take a look. Anything there that you recognize? Yeah. See, that's it. Our emotions, our facial expressions are tied right to our emotions and how we're feeling. So, for example, let's just practice. Can you show me what your face looks like when you are sad? Are you kind of being droopy and pouty? Yeah, that's sad. Okay. But show me what you look like when you're excited. Your face lights up, doesn't it? Yeah, our facial expressions show that. Look at the other ones that are on here. Take a look. Do you see them? Oh, bored, confused, exhausted, embarrassed, disgusted. Do you see them? Can you choose a facial expression and look at the emotion and see if you can make it? Do that now. Oh, wow. I bet I could guess what those are. I bet I can guess yours. Somebody out there I know they're exhausted. Somebody else just did embarrassed. I know someone's trying to do the bored face, but you can't do the bored face, not while we're learning. No way. But do you see how our facial expressions are tied right to our feelings and our emotions? That's so important. So important. So let's expand our vocabulary and some emotion words and feelings. Okay? So let me go first. All right? Today, we're going to be using our ABC chart. We often use this in writing to get lots of ideas. So we have a topic in the middle, and today ours is going to be on emotions I feel. Do you see that? Perfect. And then we have the alphabet. So our ideas, whatever the first letter starts with, we put it in that box. Now, do you think I could have more than one idea in a box? Yeah. Yes, I can. Could I have 3? Yes, I can. I actually can. Okay, so let me go first and see what we have here. Okay, let's see. My first one I have is sad, because that's what I did with you, and it begins with an S. All right, so I'm going to put that up here. I might have another one with us. I don't know. My second emotion is angry. And you can see that was on our poster too. Angry. All right. We were angry. My third word I have is disgust. Disgust. You were really not happy about something. You were disgusted with it. Disgust. What about fear? You were fearful of something. Maybe it was a movie. Maybe. Underneath F, that's what it begins with. And mine is joy. You have joy in your heart. All right, joy begins with a J. Okay. Now, I want to pause for just a moment because I know you saw some other ones on our chart and you know some other emotion words. Okay, so jot down on a piece of paper 2 or 3 words that you could add to our chart. Just 2 or 3 more words. I'll give you some time. Just jot those down. You can grab a scrap piece of paper. You can write on the back side of your student paper that you have. But just jot a couple. Perfect. Did you get something written down? All right, I hope so. Now I have a whole lot of them. So let's see if you can get a couple that are in my list. All right, here we go. How about furious? He was furious because he did not get the right schedule. He was furious. That's my F. Oh, I already have an F word up there, but I can have more, remember? Okay. Glad. I was glad I did my homework. Glad. My daughter was crushed that her softball game got canceled. Crushed. Frustrated. I was so frustrated. I couldn't get that math problem. I was frustrated. It's another word that begins with F. I already have 2 up there, but I think I can make it. I covered 1 up, but that's okay. We'll get it. Overjoyed. At Christmas time, I'm just overjoyed with laughter. Elated. Whew. Elated means you're really happy. Elated. Devastated. I was devastated that I got a bad grade on a test. Devastated. Irate. Mom was irate that I broke a rule. Irate. Whew, that means really angry. Pleased. I was very pleased when I saw my quiz grade, and it was good. Pleased. Bitter. I was bitter about my brother getting more oatmeal than me. Bitter. Heartbroken. I was heartbroken when my friend was mad at me. Heartbroken. H. Sorry. I was sorry that I made a bad choice. Sorry. Bothered. I felt bothered because my dog wouldn't leave me alone. Bothered. E. Annoyed. I was annoyed that my brothers would not stop bothering me. Annoyed. Mad. It made me mad that he did not follow the rules. Mad. M. I was happy. I was happy and I woke up happy. Happy. Dislike. I dislike that color. Dislike. It means I don't like it. Dislike. My third D word. Scared. I was scared of the movie. Scared. S. Whew, that's a lot of feeling and emotional words. Did you get any of those? Were any of those your words? Do you have words that I don't have on the chart? You do? Fantastic. Fantastic. Now, when we look at this, that's a lot of words. And it's a whole lot there. I mean, we listed them and we got them all up there. But we need to do the second step. We need to organize those words. Don't you think? Let's organize them. So I'm thinking there are a lot of words up there that mean about the same thing, right? Sometimes those are called synonyms. So let's see if we can group some words by some words that are like them. I'm going to go first. I'm going to start with happy. All right. I'm going to start with happy. What words up there could be in my category of happy? What other words? Do you see any up there? Just going to let you look for a minute before I start. Okay, I'm going to go first. This is my model. Ready? I have happy. Some words that could go in that category are glad could go there. If I'm happy, I'm also glad. If I'm happy, I'm also pleased. All right, so pleased would go there. Let's see. If I am happy, I'm probably not angry, I'm not annoyed or bothered or bitter. I'm probably not crushed, dislike or disgusted. If I'm happy, I am elated. Wow, that's like extreme happy. But it can go in that category. I'm not frustrated or furious or have fear. Joy could mean you're happy. Joyful. Okay. I'm probably not irate or mad or sad or sorry or scared or heartbroken. Overjoyed could go in my happy column. Yeah. All right. So words that are happy. Happy. Actually, read them with me. Ready? Happy, glad, pleased, elated, joy, and overjoyed. Yeah, we did it. Okay, let's do one together. Ready? How about words that could go with mad? Mad. All right. Now, mad's a little different than just sad. Okay, so we wouldn't want that. So mad, let's see. I could go with mad, furious. All right, I could use that. Furious. I'm mad, I'm furious. Frustrated. Yeah, I'm probably frustrated if I'm mad. Probably not fear. Probably not dislike. Disgust. If I'm mad, I could be disgusted. Yeah, maybe. If I'm mad, crushed. No. Bothered. If I mad? Bothered. Am I mad? Maybe let me think, if my dog is bothering me, could I be mad? Yeah, if it happened over and over and over, yeah. So I'm going to put that in my mad category. Okay. Annoyed? Yeah, I could be mad about that. Let's put it down here. Okay. Bitter? No. Angry? Yeah. If I'm mad about something, I am angry. You're right. You're right. Good job. Good job. We've got some more words up there, don't we? We've got some more words. Did I miss any? Let's take a look. Let's see if I'm mad. Oh, I think I missed one. Irate. Oh, that probably goes there too. I bet. So, taking a look at some words that are left, they could go in a couple different categories. Now, if you were in Mrs. Lansdale's room, I would have you take the remainder of the words on my chart and see if you can put them in a couple more categories. All right? But your teacher might have a different idea. So please listen to your teacher's assignment. For today, we were going on with mindfulness, and our focus today was on feelings. Feelings, and another word we called them were emotions. We just expanded our vocabulary and we came up with lots of words to label those emotions. It's very important that we are able to tell someone how we feel, what our emotions are at all times. If we can label what that is, and we can maybe bring ourselves to calm, and then be able to verbalize maybe why we're angry. Okay? We have to be able to label what word it is. So take a look quickly at our chart. There's probably a difference in our chart between happy and overjoyed. All right? That's really happy. Okay? There's probably a difference between mad and irate. We need to be able to label it. When I'm mad, I need to be able to tell people when I'm mad. When I'm irate, I need to be able to tell people that I'm irate. So there's a difference. Can I name my feelings? Can I name my emotions? In order to name them, it can help us so we can cope with those problems and we can get ourselves back to calm. Thank you for your participation today. There are student resources. There's a student resource ABC page. And at the end, I will give you a copy of my chart so that you'll be able to see what words we haven't used yet and for you to use them on your assignment if you so wish. Have a great day.